What's up, guys? Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. At its worldwide developer conference, Apple has unveiled iOS 18, the next generation iteration of its iPhone operating system. iOS 18 offers several amazing new features, including a wealth of new customization options, moving widgets on the home screen to wherever you want. Users will also be able to change the color options for the home screen, including setting a new dark tone on all widgets on the home screen. Apple isn't just changing the customization options. Users will be able to lock and hide certain apps, protecting them from prying eyes, not to mention changes to the messages with new tap back options, scheduled messages, and even the option to add new text effects. Users can remain in contact with their friends and family with new satellite communication options in messages, which include end-to-end encryption. iOS 18 also comes with more customization features than ever before. You can customize your home screen more, including putting things on the grid in any order, changing app icon colors to complement the wallpaper, and the control center is now more customizable too, with multiple pages and an API for developers to be able to offer you controls of their own for their third-party apps. You can select which contacts apps can see so they don't have to have access to all of them when you share your iPhone with them. The new password app is the place for you to access your passwords, but also passkeys, Wi-Fi passwords, and verification codes all in the same place. The app will alert you regarding common weakness like passwords that are easily guessed or used multiple times, as well as those that appear in known data leaks. Apple AI will allow you to generate images with prompts, adapt drawings in notes, and even create your own emojis or Jinmoji, as they are now called. It will also recognize your writing style, recreate your handwritings, and offer suggestions for tone and context. It can also easily summarize emails and notifications, meaning you will never be overwhelmed again. All of this will be free on release for compatible devices, while you will need the latest phones to get the best features. There is plenty on the older phones to be excited about with the update. It will also bring the same set of security updates that help to protect your phones from the latest security threats and viruses. Messages get tagbacks with any emoji or sticker. Don't call the reactions. There's also support for scheduled messages. There are also support for scheduled messages, as well as text formatting with bold, underline, and italicizing, and effects like jitter, shake, and bounce. And on that front, the company has also confirmed that the RCS support will be baked into iOS 18. Two-way satellite messaging will be a thing too, with end-to-end encryption no less. Photos has gotten a redesign, which Apple dubs its biggest ever. The app now opens up as a grid with the library at the bottom. You get collections for things like people and pets, and you can filter out stuff like screenshots. The app also sorts images by faces for quick access to shots of your friends and family. The iOS 18 will be available in July, but a developer beta is already out for those keen to test their apps on the new platform. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.